Let me ask you something. How much money did you make last year? Now here's the real question. How much of that money is still working for you today? Growing, multiplying, building your future. For most people, the honest answer is almost none. Your money is sitting in a bank account earning 0.01% interest. Meanwhile, inflation silently eats its value every single year, and it's not your fault. Nobody teaches this, not school, not parents, not your job. But today, that changes. My name is James, and I spend an unhealthy amount of time studying investing. And if you've ever tried to learn about the stock market and thought, why does this feel so complicated? Then this video is exactly for you. Because in the next 6 minutes, you'll learn how the stock market actually works, the one number that changes everything, the 3 mistakes beginners make, and the exact steps to start investing today. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. Let's begin. Most people believe 4 lies about the stock market. Lie number 1, you need a lot of money. Lie number 2, it's basically gambling. Lie number 3, it's only for rich people. Lie number 4, you must understand every company. Because of this, people wait and wait, while the people who started early quietly build massive wealth. Here's the statistic I want burned into your brain. Over the last 100 years, the S&P 500 has returned roughly 10% per year. Yes, there were crashes. The Great Depression, the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID-19 crash. And every single time, the market eventually recovered, and then went higher. In fact, the market has never lost money over any 15-year period in history. Never. Now pay attention, because this next part will change how you think about money forever. Imagine you're 25 years old. You invest just $200 every month into an S&P 500 index fund. That's roughly the cost of a few food deliveries, streaming subscriptions, random spending. After 40 years with a 10% return, that $200 per month becomes $1 million plus. And here's the crazy part. You only invested $96,000. The market created $900,000 for you. You didn't work for it. Time did. Now imagine you wait. Instead of starting at 25, you start at 35. Same $200. Same return. Your final wealth, only $380,000. You waited 10 years and lost $650,000. Buy a low-cost index fund every month, automatically, and never touch it. That's it. An index fund means you own tiny pieces of the biggest companies in the world. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Instead of betting on one company, you bet on the entire economy. Even the greatest investor ever, Warren Buffett, has publicly said 90% of his wife's inheritance should go into a simple S&P 500 index fund. Think about that. The man who built billions picking stocks recommends index funds for everyone else. That should tell you something. Here are the 5 simple steps. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Step 2, link your bank. Step 3, choose an index fund like Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Step 4, set automatic monthly investment. Step 5, ignore the noise. Do not panic. Do not try to time the market. Just stay invested. Most financially free people didn't do anything extraordinary. They simply started early, stayed consistent, and trusted time. There's a Chinese proverb. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. 10 years from now, you will either say, I'm glad I started, or I wish I had started. The choice is yours. If this video changed how you think about money, hit like. Share it with someone who needs to see this. And subscribe because most people never learn this stuff. And that needs to change.